Alright, so hope you guys like this, and I'm going to get on with the video now, and please like and subscribe, and make sure that you click that notification bell just so that you get all of my notifications. Have a great night. Alright, hey guys, so I'm just going to put on my primer, and I'm using my OXX Studio primer, which is the correcting primer, and I'm just going to pop that all over my face. Just rub it all in. Alright, and then I'm going to go in with my I Love makeup. Well, first I'm going to do my eyes, just to give them a good prime. Then I'm going to use my Colourpop, which is this brush, just to blend it all in. Blend it all in. And I'm going to use my LA Pro powder, just with that same brush. Alright, and just give that a good blend. And then I'm going to use my Colourpop E2. And I'm going to go in with this brown just here. And that's on my I Love Makeup Golden Bar. And just go in on the crease. Just like that. And I'll fix that up later. Alright, and then with my vegan crease blender, I'm going to go in with that darker colour just there. And just again in the crease, just below it, just below what I did before. Just like that, just to give it a good pop over, and then I'm going to keep blending just on that corner with hardly anything on my brush. And then I'm going to go in with some more concealer, just to do a cut crease, like just a half one. Sorry if you hear any noises outside, my kids are playing with their father. So just like that. And then I'm going to go in with my LA Girl powder again, just to powder that off. Just so that it's not still wet. And then I'm going to go in with this gold colour. And I'm going to use this brush. It's a bit dirty, but it's my E4. And just really pack that on. Alright, and then again I'm going to go in with, where is it? Oh no, it's fallen down. I do apologise. Alright, and then I'm going to go in with this brush again, which is my E2. And I'm going to go in with that lighter colour just here, just to blend that in. Alright, just like that, just blend it all through. Then I'm going to do my foundation, which I'm going to be using my e.l.f. So just my e.l.f. foundation. And I'm going to be using my foundation brush, which is my vegan flat face. And I'm just going to spread that all over my face. Really blend that out and make sure I get up there as well. Then I'm going to go back in with my concealer and do my main concealer. And just sort of get that all and then do just up there, do along the nose, and on the chin. Alrighty, and then I'm going to go in with my OXX contouring stick. Got a bit of foundation on that one, and it's in medium. Do your general contour all along there, down the neck, and just under the lip there, and just around there, and up my nose, and then underneath the nose as well, just to do it a bit better, and then just on the forehead there. Alright, then I'm going to be using that little brush again, just to blend that all out. Make sure it's really well blended. Make sure my nose is fully blended. Just blend it out. Alright, and then I'm going to go in with my powder, and I'm going to be using a big fluffy brush, which is my vegan shimmer tulip, because why not? Just dab that all over. sorry about this. Alright, and then I'm going to go in with my gold liner because I really like it and I feel like I need a bit of glam. And this is my super precise eyeliner, long lasting, from Essence. Actually, it's not my gold one, I do lie, it's going to be my black. And just do a quick simple wing. Alright, so that's all done. Then I'm just going to use a mascara, which is my Awesome Lash by Makeup Revolution. And I'm going to use my white kohl eyeliner pencil in Soft White by, who is this? This is BYS. I'm just going to go in underneath the eye, just on that waterline. Just to give the illusion that I'm not as tired, which is a complete lie because I've got a sick child at the moment, so I am very tired. And then I'm going to go in with my Hunty lipstick because I'm loving this at the moment. Alright, and there's my quick simple look, and I hope you guys really enjoyed that, and thank you.